Hey Escambia County teachers, and welcome back to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Join us today as we look at a teacher tip for Focus Gradebook, entering grades by individual students. Let's get started. Navigate to your gradebook by clicking the Grades menu on the left-hand side and clicking Gradebook, and then make sure you select the proper class that you'd like to begin with in the top right drop-down. Once you make those options, you'll end up here on the All screen, where you will see all students listed on the roster for this class period, as well as their overall grade for the class, the student ID, and anything that you've set up in your settings that you'd like to appear, such as groups. You'll also see all assignments that you've created for this marking period and any grades you've previously entered. Down at the bottom, you'll see that running class average for each assignment. If you're wanting to put in grades for individual students, you can do that multiple ways. Here, we can look for the student name and click on the expand view to the left of their name. And when we click on that expand view, this box will pop up with their student ID and their student name, as well as any kind of settings that you have listed there that you saw on the off screen. Here, you can individually go in and put in a grade for each student for their assignment. So if I want to just put in all grades for this student that they are currently missing, I can do that here. You'll see the assignment titles are there, as well as your category colors, and you'll see the assignment point value is listed here as well for you. So you'll just go in and grade the student as you need to for all assignments. All of those will appear back on the All screen and on the student portal as well once you save your grades. And then if you want to navigate to the next student, you come down here to the bottom and click on the blue next arrow. And the next student will pop up. You'll see we're on to our next student, and we have the available options for listing grades here. When you're done with this view, go ahead and click close, and you'll see those grades populated for that student that we graded here on the All screen. You can also click on individual students. So let me see if I click on the student's name, it will take me to their totals category for the individual student. So here it's a great breakdown or a snapshot of how that student is doing in your class. You quickly see all of your different categories with the possible percentages for the overall weight here, as well as what that student is currently scoring for the graded assignments in that category. You'll see all of the assignments listed going down the assignment column, as well as the points earned and points possible. You'll see if something has been excluded from grade because it's been dropped. If you have the settings for dropping the lowest quiz grade, you'll see that denoted there. You'll also see the percent as well as the letter grade if you have it set up, and you can leave comments here. You could not leave comments in the last view that I showed you, but you can leave individual assignment comments here, and you have a little bit more information such as when it was assigned, due, modified, and what category it's listed in here. So this is a great way to look at individual student grades for the class, as well as grade individual assignments for that student, and have it all up here if they have any missing work. If you want to navigate to the next student, all you have to do is click the blue arrow at the top, and it will pull up the next student and save those records for you. And that's how easy it is to grade by individual students. And that's another Byte of Tech. Thanks for watching. Check out the additional videos listed here, and open the description below for more resources and a comment card for future video requests. Before you leave, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our new videos every Tuesday.